This is the Victorinox Hunter Pro Alox Red. Word has it, it's been discontinued, presumably because they want to save the color as a special edition of some sort. Now it comes with its own paracord, as you can see here, that you can use, just like the picture, to basically hang your knife. Lovely hue of red. And here we have a beautiful knife, the Hunter Pro. 130 millimeters. You can see it says Swiss made. I believe this is made by Victorinox at Ibach, and I don't think this is a Delamont blade. Could be. I'll have to find out. It comes with a clip, as you can see, which is quite nifty against these Red Alox scales showing the brass pins. It's got a back button release that you use to basically close the knife. Now it's not one-handed opening, and I believe they are discontinuing this because I think the future Hunter Pros will all be one-handed. It's a bit dangerous for me to be doing that. However, it does feel very nice in the hand, very good grip all around. Really use this quite solidly. Most importantly, it's got a clip, so you don't really need another pouch for this for very quick deployment. Still not that quick because it's two-hand operation as compared with the other new Hunters that have the one-hand option. This is the Hunter Pro Alox Red. It's still available. You can find it at many places actually. That's the box for you. So they're taking away the one in red, but they're keeping the one in regular Alox silver. And I suppose these colored versions would be limited edition pieces that would be numbered and sold for a higher price.